O to pass a drug test. Pera you work for a compan it a require routine standard drug test, or pera pas drug test a condition of a legal settlement. A drug test might use a sample of your urine, hair, blood, or saliva. It to your personal and professional benefit to test negative for drug in your system. The best way to pass a drug test before to understand all on drug remain in your system and discontinue drug use for the proper amount of time. Passing a urine test. Recognize ta urine test are the most common drug test. If your employee require a drug test, it likely that you will be providing a urine sample. In rare case, an employee may also require a blood, saliva, or hair test. A urine test may be done privately, in a bathroom stall a laboratory, or it might be observed by a laboratory employee. 1. Provide a list of your medication. False positive drug tests are very rare in licensed, reputable laboratory. OV, certaines prescriptions médications, OV te quantity drug, en herbal remedy can be mistaken for drug of abusing drug test. For example, some de congestant might lead to a positive drug test for amphetamine. 2. In order to ensure that your drug test do no provide a false positive, make a thorough list of all your medication and provide the list to your employee, along with any supporting documentation required. Knowa drug are tested for in the 5 panel test. Urine test can detect a variety of substance in your system. The particular drug tested for are depend on a variety of factors, your personal or legal history, the requirement of your job, legal guideline, or the occurrence of a workplace accident might affect the specific drug your employee use to test for. OV, the most commonly administered drug test is 5 panel urine test. 3. Most 5 panel test detect the following drug. 4. Marijuana. Cocaine. Opiate. Phencyclidine, PCP. Amphétamine. Knowa OT drug are tested for. With 5 panel test it most common, some employee or legal personnel might use to add the drug to their screening. They might add testing for an oral of the following substance. 5. Alcohol. MDMA, ecstasy. Barbiturate. Propoxyphene. Benzodiazépine. All drug remain in your system. A urine test do no test your sobriety at exam moment a which you provided sample. Instead, it test your past use of drug over the past fed or even week. Habitual drug user often have a concentration of the drug in their system tant occasional drug user. For this reason, habitual drug user may test positively for drug even after been sober for several days or week. 6. OT factor might affect the concentration of drug in your system, such as your metabolism, quality and amount of drug taken, hydration level, and overall health. In general, OV, you can expect a urine test to detect drug for the following time. 7. Amphétamine, 2D. Barbiturate, 2D 3 week. Benzodiazépine, 3D, thérapeutique dose, 4-6 week. Habitual use. Cocaine, 4D. Ecstasy, 2D. Heroin, 2D. Marijuana, 2-7D, single use, 1-2 plus monte, habitual use. Méthamphétamine, 2D. Morphine, 2D. PCP, 8-14D, single use, 30D, chronic user. Discontinue drug use for the proper amount of time. Ton lit sur way to pass a drug test in to use drug, especially when you are in the testing window. In some cases, you might know in advance when the test will take place. In other cases, OV, you might know avant e-warning. In that case, consider what your circumstance will make it likely for you to be tested for drug in the near future. For example, discontinue drug use if you are on the job market. Are on probation. Are in a profession ta require occasional random drug testing. Avoid speaking or masking the urine sample. TIA méthode usée to throw of testing equipment from sean certain reçu. Commercial en ovete cointe chemical containing nitrate vrons uzet ou masque THC, t'active drug int marijuana plan, butarno commonly tested for. The product are all detectable, en will resul automatically in a failed drug screen. 8. Consider trees of diluting at sample. Dilution it process of reducing at concentration of drug or drug metabolite in sample. T accomplished by adding fluid to sample. Drug testing laboratorial routinely test sample to detect dilution. 9. On method of diluting at sample involve adding liquid to urine. OV, the temperature of the urine measured by drug test, en diluted urine easily detected. 10. Another method of diluting at sample is to flush your system by drinking excessive amount of water. OV, drinking excessive amount of water can be dangerous, people have died from water intoxication, en risky because colorless urine arouse suspicion, possibly flagging at sample. You will likely basket to provide a note sample after which will knob an ultime for your body to rid itself of drug trace. 11. Provide clean urine in your sample. Will excessive flushing will likely lead to a failed urine test, you may be able to slightly lower the concentration of THC in your urine if you are well hydrated. For those WHO have no used marijuana for several days, it might make a significant difference in your drug test result. In order to provide an optimal urine sample, you can, 12. Drink 3-4 glasses of water the morning of your test. Be at least twice before providing a urine sample. Your early morning urine will have the highest concentration of drug in your system. Give your body some time to flush the chemical out, and use your first pee of the day in a drug test. Drink a coffee or caffeinated soda. Caffeine is a mild diuretic, which can help your body flush out fluid more quickly. Take some aspirin. Science Shaki, some studies have reported a aspirin can help mask certain chemicals detected by a drug test. Take 4 aspirins a fait before your test if you are worried about your reçu. It might no help, but most people can take aspirin safely, with an harmful side effect. 13. Aspirin can be dangerous for those agglutineurs, OV. Be sure to read all package instruction and warning before taking aspirin. Consider trees of substituting at sample. Substitution is a method to involve substituting your urine with of a note person or a synthetic sample. There are many companies that sell devices for urine substitution over internet, avec la compagnie that sell synthetic urine. Beavarta de frauding at urine test might black crime. In many states, it is illegal to substitute someone else's urine for your own. It could be considered an act of criminal fraud, and you might be putting your job, employment, or legal status à risk. Consider carefully what it is or the risk to attend to the fraud a urine test. 14. Synthetic urine come into our basic form, the liquid type found in smoke shops is similar to a used to calibrate lab equipment, or vial of a powdered concentrate that can be added to a few ounces of warm water. But are kept in a delivery device with a temperature meter. On of the challenge of urine substitution is ensuring that urine remain à normal body temperature, 91-97 degrés Fahrenheit. Some lab are not testing for synthetic urine. For your legal protection, it is critical that you do not use the method for an e-government test including military, civil service, and especially probation. The liquid promixed urine a a couple of drawbacks it de et un valid or small layer of bubbles on the surface and it a no smell. Powdered synthetic urine de Manila Bank collection site will reject your specimen if they suspect it is synthetic and ask you to urinate on the direct observation. Substituting a note person urine might also be risky, since it is possible that they will no pass the drug test it. Urine also dark innovative, en bacteria can grow, contaminating at sample. If deterioration become noticeable the lab may suspect something. Dono us drug after passing a urine test. In some case, employee or parole office might ask for a retest of your urine. Dono celebrate a pass the drug test by using a drug, you might simplify the next on. Be patient, en make sur ta your receiver believed before taking en furte action. Tip. Be far the best way to pass a drug test to refrain from all use of drug. Feeling complete abstinence, refraining from drug for un week 3 months prior to testing usually suffice to pass most drug test. Be aware of the most common drug testing scenario. If you are in a job or you operate vehicle or heavy machinery, you might be required to get tested more often. If you are on the job market, many new employees will ask that you take a drug test upon accepting a job offer. Many persons on probation or parole are expected to take a routine drug test. If you use marijuana for medical purposes in a state or such a practice illegal, consult employee materne à bout your option. The legal implication of TRST in flux, 38. Warning. Be very cautious when ordering a miracle product over internet. Most have no been clinically tested, en taking bucket expensive. While some anecdotal evidence claim that they work, there is no guarantee that they will be effective. Trying to fool a drug test might lead to extra personal and legal repercussions and could be considered fraud in some states. Don't drink too much water to fool a urine test. Drink enough water to be well hydrated, but don't poison yourself by drinking gallon of water. Tai dangerous, and your drug test will likely be flagged for dilution and you will have to take a note on anyway. Don't consume anything poisonous, like blee, in order to fool a drug test. It will not work, and it could be very harmful to you.